Good evening. My name is Ritesh and I'm part of Sign DLM. So we are into electronic manufacturing services. So I'm part of HR team and I head the talent management and talent engagement in HR. We've been using Zoho since last 1.5 years. It's been it's journey with Zoho. It's like 1+ years.
Hi, I am Shrija from KMB Spaces. I am here today to attend the Zoho 5.0 version. So we are using Zoho from past 6 years and it is a very amazing platform to use to manage all our employees' profiles.
So we have been using Zoho from past more than 2 years. So we are still on 4.0. So we are looking forward to pass, our whole processes to 5.0, which is the new one.
Hi, this is Ramki. I am CEO and founder of Nexivo Consulting. Over the last few years, we have been waiting for these kind of updates, and I think so now Zoho People is ready for an enterprise grade implementation with a lot of power pack features which are coming. And I should say that this is something the next level of the HR automation tool.
I really I'm excited to explore 5.0. So there are a lot of features. I was just going through the brochure and I also understand from your team what all the features are getting into this in 5.0. So we are really excited to explore and implement very soon. The best thing what I can say about Zoho is the way you guys connect through all these forums. The one which I really like, the Zoholics, where you come and update and give over the futures and all. Overall, I can say it's a great journey what I have with Zoho.
I'm Naveen Kumar. We are representing from Zoho Services Private Limited. We are premium partners of Zoho. So the session, whatever the Zoho workshop 5.4 is better for our. We aware about what are the advanced features. We learn the features whatever enhanced in the 5.0 compared to 4.4. And also we interacted with the few of the customers. This is very helpful to make the interaction with the customers, how they are facing the issues and what are the new features that need to be added. We interacted with the Zoho team as well as they resolve the queries. So such workshops is very helpful to interact with the market teams, especially restricting to one by one. So it is helpful to interacting with the partners team as well as the customers to know about what we need to develop such things.
Hi, my name is Rishikesh. I'm from Callright Group. Great attending this Zoho People event, especially when I talk about this event, the way it has been designed overall, in terms of breaking out, having a kind of a socializing around with people from different organizations. It was not big crowd. It was really ample crowd, and it was very well planned, from morning till evening. It was difficult to make it on a working day, but it's definitely it was worth being here. I would say I built a big network here and also came to know more about Zoho People. So overall, thanks to Zoho team for organizing this. I really appreciate this event and have a great day.
This session was great today and I hope this session will be conducted every quarter so we can clarify more queries here.
Today has been an amazing, wonderful day. We had a complete product feature demonstration of Zoho People 5.0. The event was amazing, wonderful audience. We came to know about a lot of new innovations, automations, AI-based features which got rolled out, and we are really thrilled, and we would really want to take this to our customers and make them happy as well with the new features. And I'm sure it's going to be an amazing journey ahead with this particular product for every company.
I can say something these kind of events, what you guys do, it really helps us to understand your futures, the 5.0 future, what you have taken us through.
That was a wonderful event. We got to know many new things about the Zoho 5.0. It's a new launch. So it was key insights. There was many new things that we didn't know. So we can surely implement that. And towards the various things, be it operations, be it employee engagement activities, be it LMS. So there were many takeaways. So overall, at last would say the event was insightful. Looking forward to more such events in future and coordinating with the Zoho team and various HR fraternities.
Yeah, it was a really great experience. We got to learn about LMS and all the features which we are not using and we sure will be implementing. And the team has been really great and friendly with us. So we are looking for more of such sessions ahead. So thank you for such a lovely session.